This is how you spot a pullover. Put your hands on the bar. Chin goes up to the bar. Your hand is going to go on their back. You're going to get their legs, so you have them here. If they let go, let go. Oh, I still save them a little bit. Okay, chin to the bar, back, feet, and then you pull their legs around. And then, hold on, you have to switch your hands really fast. And then you have their legs, and then you have your hand on their shoulder. Bring them up. And I always like to go like this because if they bend their elbows, bend your elbows. I'm here and I pick them up just in case they want to fall off. All right, one thing I do want to mention is if you are doing all of the work, go up. If this is you need to work on something else and not have them do pullovers. No wonder my left arm is bigger. The first drill, they're going to put their feet up here, hang down, and then bring your chin to the bar, and back down, and back up, and back down, and back up, and there you go. That's the first drill. The second drill, so put your hands here, walk your feet up all the way up, chin to the bar, and then kick. Okay, just like that. That's a little bit easier than you doing all the work. For the third drill, you're going to need a bucket and like a stuffed animal. Usually gyms always have stuffed animals. Put it in between their legs and then bring it up into the bucket.
I can't see the bucket.
Oh, you did it. Yay! Good job.